Hi, this is Aaron Booker with Varvid.com. I'm standing here under the SBS EBS banner, and I'm talking with Dean Paron from who heads up the SBS team. Dean, can you tell me a little bit about yourself and your product?
Sure. So my name is Dean Paron. I'm the Group Program Manager on the Small Business Server 2008 team. My team is sort of responsible for the overall vision for the product, the list of features, and then the hardcore project management down the stretch as we build the project.
How long have you been working on the project, and what are some of your favorite new features that are coming up?
I've been on the product since 1999. I joined right at the end of SBS 4.5. I worked on SBS 2000 for the entire admin console. I did some of the SharePoint stuff for 2003. Some of my new favorite features in SBS 2008. There's a bunch of good ones. So I'll start with, from an infrastructure perspective, all of the apps that are in the product, from Windows to Exchange to SharePoint to WSUS, all brand new, right? So you just have this new foundation of really great, hardcore server technologies that everything is built on. And then from a perspective of what did we build within the small business server team to make that really consumable by the small business space, we focused on a few key areas for this release. One, we really wanted to make the setup and the administration of that product much more streamlined and efficient for the small business space. Right? So you'll see a brand new console, you'll see a brand new setup, you'll see brand new tools for things we used to never have before, things like moving data folders and moving the Exchange store from one drive to another. Things like automatically configuring your domain name and all your DNS records for your server. Those are just tools we never had in the past. We also focused a lot on security, right? So the admin console is extensible. It can report status on your firewall and on your antivirus and on your anti-spyware. We throw a couple trials of Microsoft security products in the box, Forefront for Exchange and Windows Live OneCare for server. But we also fully support all third parties, and they can go into the small business server. And the other area we invested was really in business productivity. So we always had SharePoint, we always had the remote web workplace. With SBS 2008, we also invested in scenarios that used to be white papers in the last release. We now automated, and those are things like getting a public website and an extranet for your server. And we do that through partnering with Office Live.
I have to say that I am so impressed with the product. We've been working with a client of ours on the TAP since December, and our server has never been rebooted except on purpose. It's stable, it's solid, our customers love it.
Great. Well, you've been a great partner in our TAP, and I'm definitely looking forward to shipping the product.
Well, thanks so much. Really appreciate it. Thanks, Dean, and thanks from Varvid.com.
All right. Hey, thanks, everybody.